If you spend a lot of time browsing in Chrome, learning keyboard shortcuts for switching tabs can save you a surprising amount of time every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change tabs in Chrome using keyboard shortcuts on Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's quick, it's easy, and once you get used to it, you may never want to go back to clicking tabs manually again. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. If you're on Windows or Linux, the shortcut to move to the next tab is Ctrl plus Tab. Just hold Ctrl and tap Tab once, and Chrome will switch you over to the tab on the right. If you want to go back to the previous tab, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. Hold Ctrl and Shift together, then tap Tab, and Chrome will move to the tab on the left. This is especially useful when you have several tabs open and you want to move through them without reaching for your mouse. Now, if you're using a Mac, the shortcuts are slightly different. To go to the next tab, press Command plus Option plus the right arrow key. That will move you forward through your tabs. To go to the previous tab, press Command plus Option plus the left arrow key. That will take you back one tab at a time. These shortcuts work great when you're multitasking, doing research, comparing websites, or switching between documents and web pages. And once you memorize them, they become second nature. A quick tip: if you accidentally switch too far, just keep using the previous tab shortcut until you get back to where you need to be. That makes tab navigation fast and flexible. So to recap, on Windows and Linux, use Ctrl plus Tab for the next tab and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab for the previous tab. On Mac, use Command plus Option plus the right arrow for the next tab and Command plus Option plus the left arrow for the previous tab. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change tabs in Chrome with a keyboard shortcut on both Windows and Mac. If this video helped, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.